Alright, hey everybody. Picked up a couple of things from Harbor Freight here the other day. All three of the Doyle water pump pliers, the 12, 10, and 8 inch. Just do a quick little look at of them. They do seem pretty nice. Mechanism seems pretty decent. Little ones, the button seems a little sticky. Probably just need a little WD-40 or something on there. Well, that's the 12, 10, and the 8 inch. This seems like they're basically just a two-piece mechanism plus the lock. Real close to copying the Nipex type. Seem like they're going to be just fine. Don't really use a whole lot of channel locks, but when I do, I want something that's going to hold it right. Otherwise, what's the whole point? But hopefully these will work out just fine. Would like it if they made them next size down, little 6 inch like the Nipex. Wait a little bit. If they don't, I'll just go ahead and order the little 5 inch Nipex just so I have that little set. But you know, liking what I'm seeing with the Doyle stuff. Seems like it's going to be decent quality stuff. Hopefully it stays at a decent price. They don't go out of control like the Icon. Some of that stuff isn't worth the price, I don't think. But personal opinion, just me. I'm sure some of you read some of my comments. I'm pretty big on Tecton. I need to get some more of that stuff. And thought I'd give you guys a quick look at them. But happy Father's Day. See ya.